This is a step-by-step instruction video on how to install and program the Betco drain station dispenser. To install the squeeze tube, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw holding the front cover in place. Remove the front cover to expose the roller block assembly. Pull the roller block assembly forward until it is approximately 50% exposed. This may require more force when pulling to release the roller block from original position. Liberally lubricate the clear center portion of this squeeze tube. In order to loop the tube around the roller block, slide the red notch onto the white ledge. Loop the squeeze tube around the roller block. Insert the red notches into the white ledge and push the roller block assembly in. Turn assembly clockwise with one rotation to lock it in. The squeeze tube is now installed. Replace the front cover. To initially program the dispenser, you will need to set language, set pin access, and set day and time just once. To get to the menu to program the dispenser, hold the forward button until you see this screen. Then hold the back button until you see the set pin screen. Press the back button again, and you will see the set language screen. By pressing the up button, you have an option of English, Spanish, Italian, German, and French. Select the language you wish, and then press the forward button and your language is set. You can now move onto the set pin screen. The pin allows you to protect the dispenser setup. If you do not want a pin, press the forward button. If you do want to set a pin, press the up button to select the Y, then the forward button. Now, set a pin using the up, down, and forward buttons. Once the number is in place, press the up button to select Y. Press the forward button to confirm. To set the day and time, use the up, down, and forward buttons to set the day of the week and the time. Please note the dispenser uses a 24-hour clock. You have now completed the initial setup steps. For dosing, the drain dispenser is controlled by real-time clock and can execute 20 programmable events. Start from the home screen. Press and hold the forward button. If you have a pin, enter it now. If not, you will see the screen to enter your first event. You will see a Y, which means yes, you want to set an event. The letters of the day of the week are which days do you want this event to pump. In this example, we are setting for every day of the week by keeping the letter. Press the forward button to move on to setting the time. Set the time by toggling with the up, down, and forward button. We are setting for the 23rd hour, or 11 p.m., after the restaurant is closed. The D stands for dispense. How long do you want the product to be dispensed? We have set it for 1 minute. Press the forward button and you will see event 1 has been successfully stored. To create a new event, press the forward button to the N and select Y for yes, set a new event. Select the day of the week you want this event to dispense. In this example, we are just setting a Saturday dispense. The hash marks mean the day will not go off for event 2. Set your time of day and dispense time. Press the forward button and event 2 is stored. Store all of your events. When done, have the N show on the next event for no, don't need. In our example, we need 2 events stored. We have the N highlighted on the 3rd event. Press the forward button and you will be brought back to the home screen. 2 events have been successfully stored. Any other questions, please refer to the Drain Station's helpful installation guide on Customer Central at betco.com.